What's up, good people? Better Today Trades back again with a live trading of the NASDAQ future. Go ahead and get right into it. Sorry, I'm late. We had a little technical difficulties. Got about 30 seconds till the bell. Opening up in mean reversion, so we're gonna look for shorter moves and a lot more of ranging movement. We're gonna try to ignore our EMAs and only strike the outer edges. Value area highs, value area pops, things of that nature. We had a big bloody week last week, so I'm expecting some sort of relief bounce. I wouldn't be surprised if we, at some point this week, get back up to last week's mid, which is 17,732. So sometime this week, I would like to see that. All right, we're open, guys. All right, we're opening up. We're trying to push right out the gate here. All right, seller stepping up. Right there, right before pre-market high. More so this whole dollar number 17.3. Seller stepping up, buyer stepping up, and it's a battle. Sellers are strong. Yeah, sellers taking control here to start the day. Right off of that 17.3 level. So you see, all pre-market, this whole dollar number was resistance, and as soon as we opened up, big sellers came in above it. But also all pre-market, this level 17,250 was where the buyers were. Obviously, pre-market volume is a lot lower than opening volume, so it's any man's game at this point. Yeah, guys. So I'm still looking for a move to the value area high, or at least pre-market high. Yesterday's mid area to get a short off. Probably won't be looking along until pre-market low, or this value area pop here. That probably won't come in. Like, usually mean reversion days, you're not gonna get a good trade until about 9:45, 10 o'clock anyway. So it's gonna be kind of uneventful Ooh, we back above 17.3. Do the sellers come back in here? Pushing. Trying to push. Who just stepped in? Ooh, sellers still don't give a fuck. Sellers don't give a fuck. They don't want the price above 17.3. They said, nice try, you bum bitch. Sellers got big balls out here today, y'all. As soon as they got it above 17.3, they started smacking that mine. So we still got sellers above 17.3. Let's see if there's any buyers still here. Couple buyers still down here. Enough of them to keep it from to keep price from free falling. Sitting on our hands still here. If you guys are following the better today strategies, the methods, when we're in value, we haven't gotten any signals yet. All right, now we're trying to reject the EMAs, the gray. Which means the sellers will probably be in control if they can keep it below that that level. This level about right here. Might get a pop above, and if they can just smack it back down, sellers will have control. Like that. There you go. There they go. See? Yep. Sellers trying to keep it below that gray. Let's see. Got about 7 minutes, halfway through this 15-minute candle. Still buyers down there at 17,270, below that level, or at least covers something's going on where the price keeps bouncing around that area. So here we go, pushing. Sellers still stepping up here at the EMAs. Yeah. Buyers keep trying to pop it above that gray, but they can't hold it. Trying again. Didn't even get it above that time. Trying again. Touching it. They got it up. Okay. And they're back below again. Looks like the buyers are going to try to run this real quick. They're trying. They're back above now. They're holding above. But they're not really popping this bitch though. Back below. There you have it, guys. Sellers are still in control. If you're taking trades right now, I hope you're on the short side. But that can change on the drop of a dime. Got the girl on me popping the rhymes. I don't know. New 5-minute candle. Instantly rejecting the gray. Okay, here goes some pushes. There goes the pop. Okay. Can they hold this time? Uh-huh. They're trying to hold here. It's the last 5-minute candle of this 15 too. Okay. Buyer stepping up here, back at 17.3. Let's see if the sellers are still up here. Few sellers right away. Will they run them? Yep, they're gonna run those first couple sellers. That'll be able to push us to the highs of the day. Can they run all of these stops here? Shorts from at the bell. Or do the shorts step back up? They're stepping back up. Sellers are still up there at 17.3, 17.305. 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Just want to see if we can get this 15-minute close above the gray EMA or below. I guess I don't care which one it closes up. I just want to see the confirmation of direction. Sellers. Yep, we're going lower. Still some buyers off that 270. Still got buyers at 270. Can we run them? I think we run them at this point. Go lower. Auction off some lower prices, see if we can get some real buyers to come and step in. We can get the sellers to step off. Sellers obviously think the price is too high up here. Well, at 17.3 for sure. But okay. Okay, buyers. 270 buyers still there. Yeah. For me, there's no real trades until we can break this pre-market consolidation here. either break above this pre-market high or break below this pre-market low, which I think we're going low. So, but remember, I also said I think this is gonna be a green week. So 270 buyer still there. All right, last minute of this candle, and we're back above the gray. Do we close above the gray? It's a fucking battle. I think we're gonna close above. Yeah, barely. So we're gonna run these shorts then, huh? Yeah. Okay, the buyer's gonna try to make a run for 817.3 again. Now, let's see if the sellers are still here. Or if they back off and step up again at 314 or 350. Let's see. Some sellers still there. Uh-oh. Sellers. There they go. I think we're trying to get some support here. Too early to tell, but nah. Nope. Yeah, so sellers still at 17.3. Sellers still at 17.3. We got to get above 17.305 to open up the next level higher. Oh, Buyer's making another attempt at getting above 17 sellers, bro. 17.3 sellers. Yeah. It looks like the buyers are gonna run the sellers. Those three up, yeah. All right. The next level up, the next test would be 314, 315 right here. See if those sellers from pre-market step back up. Got yesterday's mid right here. Oh, pushing. So we got sellers stopping out for sure. The way this is shooting through. All right. this would be where we would need the sellers to step up, or else this is a bullish scenario and we're going at least to 17,350. This is still an in value day, guys, a mean reversion day, so I'm expecting range. We'll put in a high for the day and then quickly head back towards the lows of the day and then quickly head back towards the highs. We may be putting in lower highs or higher highs the whole time too. It might look like it's trying to break out, and just never break out all day or down. Okay, sellers are not stepping up here. That's the ETH mid right about here. There goes some sellers. A couple few sellers. And a seller. Retesting the pre-market high. See if we can put it in as support. Might have to retest 17.3 and put that in as support instead, but let's see. So far, we do have some buyers or some covers coming in at that pre-market high, 315. Still too early to say. As far as looking for, longs. Oh, couldn't quite hold it. Okay. Yeah. They're trying to support it here off that pre-market high. For a possible move higher. Although this is the time of day I would expect a reversal, so. But the fact that we did just break out of this 9 hours of consolidation down there. Although those traders may not still be there. Buyers are still here. Off this 1310. What you can see is this was resistance 17307, 17310 was resistance, and now we're trying to put it in as support. Every time we come close to it, buyers step up. See if that continues. Sellers not wanting to let it get above 320 in this candle. Back at that 310, are the buyers still there? Couple few buyers still here, not enough. Now this is the actual level of previous resistance. Let's see if they can put this in as support. Like I said, might have to make a test of 17.3. Okay, we're back below pre-market high. Sellers stepping up off that pre-market high.
Order filled.
Buyers still here off 310. Is the level to beat for the short sellers. Not really trying to let price get back above that pre-market high here. Sellers seem to be stepping up there. Pre-market high yesterday, man. Buyers still here around this 310 level. Buyers pushing back towards pre-market high. Sellers still here. A couple sellers still here. Kind of would need them to step up stronger here. There they go. All right, now we're back at 17.3. Are there any buyers at 17.3? Couple few right here. Definitely stopped out all the people who were buying off pre-market high there. Back to the gray. Last minute in this candle here. In this 15-minute, in this 5. Sellers have control. 10 o'clock candle. Fire showing up right away. So on the last 15-minute candle, technically we did close below the gray. That's just, ain't that like some, just like an end value day, a mean reversion day. 1 15-minute candle closes just above, 1 15-minute candle closes just below. Price just plays the extremes from the high to the low, to the high to the low. Just passing through the moving averages. All right, pushing back into 17.3. Buyers done stepped up. Buyers stepping up early in this candle, trying to get back towards pre-market high where they got smacked down before. 310. There were buyers here before. Because if you look at this 5-minute candle, you can see there were some buyers here. And you can't really tell in this 5-minute, because look at this 5-minute candle, but there was like 3 minutes of this candle was them trying to hold 310. So there was buyers there for sure. See if sellers, if those buyers turn into sellers here, that support turns into resistance. Looks like it's trying to. Again, off that pre-market high level. Yep, seller stepped up, taking control. This is actually back, we're getting back towards buying territory around this 390. If the sellers can continue to be strong here, we are going to make new lows on the day, more than likely. It's only if the sellers can keep being strong right here at this level. Yeah, okay. Sellers trying to play the game. I mean, buyers trying to play the game here. Can the buyers make a last-ditch effort to push this above 17.3? They might. 5 minute candle just open. This is their chance. Couldn't quite get to it there. Let's see if they try it again. There they go. 17-3. All right, sellers have to defend the 17-3 with their life. With their life. This is the problem with me reversion days. It's just choppity chop. Sellers came in off that 17-3. Buyers coming in again off that 17. Off that 17-280. So we used to have buyers down here 17-270. Now we got buyers about 10 points, 15 points higher at 280. A break below 280 would probably present new lows on the day. We would go below, if we go below, looking like it's coming. If we go below 280, we will probably break 270 as well. They're still there at 280. They're still here at that 80, 85. $280 again. Buyers are still there. Who's gonna win here? The battle between 280 and 290. Sellers are selling off the gray here. They don't really want to let price get back above 290. Buyers don't really want to let it get below 280. They're weakening up here though. Less buyers. Less buyers and less buyers. Okay, so we did break 270. See if we can continue here. Or is this the actual low for the mean reversion day? So that's what'll happen. Mean reversion is we're gonna trade basically between the averages, but around the averages. And we'll have one extreme above, one extreme below. We'll just keep trying to fake everybody out. Oh, right, this is mean reversion day, which means I need to take some off here.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I was supposed to take some off way down there. All right, well, took some off. So locked up 1 hour there. I was supposed to take some off at 65 though. Well, actually, I was supposed to take some off here. Or when we first got to this point, I was supposed to take some off. So. So those buyers are still there from 270. Can they get it? Can the buyers from 270 get a move all the way back to 300? If so, that might actually be the low of the range. Sellers will have to hold these levels right here. Sellers are doing the job right here so far. Sellers definitely playing strong once we get close to 290. Um, buyers not playing either though. Why we open up on mean reversion and value day on a Monday? That's weak as hell. Like I said, we were looking for shorter moves today because it's in value, mean reversion, just ranging between two extremes. Sellers trying again for this 270. Sellers trying to breach 270. Can they do it? Or will the buyers step back up? This is where they come from. This is where the buyers usually come from, right here. Moment of truth for the buyers. Oh, good job, buyers. How could I forget? Buyer's still there, below 270. See this shit? This is what I'm talking about. This shit I'm talking about, man. In value as day. 270 again. I would expect the sellers to go ahead and take control here, but they're not. So there's not enough of them. I would expect price to keep trending lower from here. Especially with the way we just rejected that gray. That's a new 15-minute candle. I didn't announce the new 15-minute candle, but I'm sure y'all can see that there was a new 15-minute candle that just showed up. This is my daily trend line right here. This is from like maybe October. October's low. The low's around October to now. 175 days. Guess you would kind of expect a 175-day trend line to kind of have some strength. And we're not that far off of it. Probably see some more buyers come in at 17,250. That's a level that I've marked out off the monthly chart. So below there, you would probably see a lot of buyers. Above, you probably see a lot of sellers. Ultimately, the buyers will win probably, but that's not today to say. That probably won't be the day. That'll be much further in the future. There go the sellers. Kissing that level there. Typically, I would say I'm waiting for this 17.2 level or this POC level below to cover a little bit more. The way this one's trading today, I don't know. I might take some. I'll probably take some off the pre-market low if we can get down there. It's me in reversion. I just want to lock up some profit. If you guys want to join the Discord, I can teach you exactly my method for trading mean reversion days, in value days, whatever you want to call it. These are kind of my least favorite days, though. I don't know. I can't really say, because these days typically do what you expect them to do. Come in with a plan, and they do that plan to the T. These mean reversion days are the days that I can look like a genius out here, because price just does what it just plays in between value all day. But the moves don't be good, so they're predictable, but they be smaller, come in little spurts. When you get in and out days and out days, that's when you get some trend. That's when you can get a move. But those are, you're probably taking a couple more stops on those. Like I didn't take no stops today. Got in off the pre-market high level, but don't always with the in and out, not and out days. It don't always hit like that. It be hitting though. Don't get me wrong. But you just might take a couple stops, which is fine because you'll get more R ultimately out of the trade if you're on the right side. Alrighty, we are approaching that pre-market low, which is also the extended trading hours mid. Might get some buyers coming in here. I'm gonna take a little bit more
Order
profit
filled.
there, and now I'm gonna let the rest ride all day till I either reach my ultimate profit target or we get a reversal and I get stopped. But either way, I made money off this trade today. Once I get out of this trade, I'll probably go to sim if I keep trading. And I don't want to get that money back that I made. This last third that I have on could be my real money maker though if sellers keep staying in control, which they should until they find a low. Maybe that's 17.2. Maybe this level here, I don't know. It's just like pre-market high was resistance. This pre-market low could be support. Buyers might step up here. Sellers might cover while buyers step up, which would add fuel to the buyer's fire. Oof, seller selling. 8 minutes left in the stream, guys. 8 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Cool. Y'all know I love to draw these flimsy ass, paper thin ass trend lines that go for one extended trading hour session and just get broke over and over and over. That one I was readjusting all yesterday or Friday, I guess. I was readjusting that one all day long until I just deleted it. I just got rid of it. Told you I was gonna be doing that though. This one I don't even think I'm gonna adjust. I might just delete. Wait for us to test these levels down here. Yeah. Right now, all the long trend lines are getting broken because we're in a correction. Corrections typically last about a month and a half. I guess technically anywhere from like 40 to 90 days. Your typical correction will last. Quickly approaching that 17 too. just about kissed 17.2 there. I got so many questions. I can't do it with it. I was on it. I was on it. It's the last 5-minute candle of the stream. Okay, my trailing stop is now in the money a lot. The last point that I made a cover at about 17,250 is where my trailing stop is now. We are quickly approaching this value area pop. VA POC, point of control. Basically, point at which, the price at which the most shares were traded yesterday. Everything at this point is just icing on the cake for this trade. I'm gonna end the stream in 3 minutes, but I'm gonna stay in this trade until I'm forced out of it, basically. Until I maximize my gains or minimize my loss. Either way, I made money on this trade. You guys see, I didn't take a trade for the first 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. I waited 30 minutes to take this trade, but it was the one that counted. The one that mattered. There's plenty of trades I could have taken within that first 5 minutes that would have got me stopped and put me on tilt. I waited for my setup. I waited for confirmation. Then I waited a little bit longer. Then I got in. And now I'm up 125 points. All right, now we're at yesterday's close. Yesterday's closing price is 179, 179. So there you have it, guys. That is how you trade an in value day. At some point, I think there will be a bottom that gets put in, and we probably head back towards the highs at some point today. I don't think this is gonna be a complete downtrending day. I could be wrong. It could come back at 3 o'clock today, and we'd be at, I don't know, the value area low, 17,121 or something like that. It's possible, but I don't know. Typically, we don't really breach the value area pop like that. Anywho's it, what's it, guys? That is it for me here on this live stream. Once again, you got to watch me live trade the NASDAQ future. Today's setup was going into the bell was in value or mean reversion day. I told you how I was going to play it. I played it for you right in front of you. I called it out as we traded it. Now I'm going to go work out. Yeah, now I'm going to go work out. Once again, guys, you can join the Discord. Link is in the description. I don't know, guys. That's all I really have to say about the situation, you know. Okay, and that's how I conquered BDE. You already know how I'm at. There we go, 17.2, right off the close. Right off the value area box, right above the close. So if I end up getting stopped out, it'll be in the money, but I'll miss out on basically 5 hour 4 or 5 hour. I think it's 4 hour at this point because I'm up so much. But if we keep going, that can change. Okay, we might hit my profit target. I doubt it. It's way down there. So now I'll give you guys my profit targets and my trailing stop and all that, my indicators, my playbook, um, all in the Discord as well. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. Peace, hair grease. Make today better than yesterday. Yada yada yada. Motivation, inspiration, love.